Have you ever heard the term executive functioning and wondered what it means? Basically, it's the part of the brain that's in charge of planning, organizing, remembering, staying focused, and remaining calm when our lives overwhelm us. Imagine a child starting homework, but suddenly remembering that they must show you a dinosaur fact from YouTube. This reflects challenges with executive functioning skills such as sustained attention. On the other hand, strong executive functioning may look like a teenager remembering homework deadlines, managing multiple classes, and resisting the urge to scroll social media during study time. As adults, executive functioning is a major part of planning our day, juggling responsibilities, and staying focused enough to finish tasks without getting derailed by emails, cravings, or other things that might fight for our attention. In applied behavior analysis, ABA, executive functioning can be explored through a person's observable actions, such as remembering what we're doing, easily switching from one task to another, or staying on task for extended periods of time even when distractions are present. Working on these skills can also be described in terms of enhancing working memory, cognitive flexibility, and inhibitory control. Applied behavior analysis, ABA, can teach people young and old executive functioning skills through fun, structured activities. Examples can include matching games and following simple directions in young children, switching between tasks and practicing turn-taking routines in school-age learners, and completing multi-step routines, transitioning between responsibilities and managing task sequences independently in older teens and adults. All of these are designed specifically with a person's executive functioning needs in mind. Is executive functioning something you or a loved one need to work on? Please give Autism Behavior Services a call and let's have our clinicians put together a plan for continued success. Just call 1-855-581-0100 or email info@autismbehaviorservices.com.